Are you dealing with the atl90 Library DLL error blocking your work? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'm going to walk you through a safe, verified solution. Access the official atl90 Library Diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the atl90 Library, the Active Template Library, ATL, version 9.0 module. It provides a set of template-based C++ classes designed to simplify the programming of Component Object Model (COM) objects. It manages unmanaged routines for windowing, COM property pages, and ActiveX control hosting for applications compiled with Visual Studio 2008. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Reinstalling Active Template Library Visual C++ 2008 is usually the quickest solution. Go to Microsoft's site, grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and install them to replace the missing file. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with atl90 library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing atl90 Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes atl90 library documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve atl90 library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.